Hey guys, this is our final destination.
Yeah.
So we reached. We drove 28 kilometers of
Rafting at
rafting
Rishikesh.
at Rishikesh.
I enjoyed the most. Which one? That golf course.
Golf course.
Yippee!
Yeah. This is Akash.
Hurrah.
Ajay Yadav. Sir. Brindan. Shani. Even sir.
Guide.
This is our guide. So
Stop mat karna.
very cool guides, and yeah,
And
we enjoyed a lot.
I Saurav Sahu.
Yeah. Thanks man.
आपके 4 जने बजाए हमने